How to create a post in Reddit. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. If you have the Reddit app installed, you can launch the app. If not, you can head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for Reddit and navigate to its website. After you're in the website, you will see this kind of web interface. First of all, log into your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to create a post, all you need to do is, in this home page, at the top right, you can see this plus icon, tap on it. It will prompt you to create a post page. From here, you can easily create a post. You can give a title for your post. You can add the body text over here. Give a descriptions about your post. If you want to add any images or video into it, you can select this image and video section. You can upload the photo or video from your device. After that, you also need to select a community in order to post. You can select from the given communities, or you can search for your community that you want to prefer. After you select your community and you configure your post, you can tap on this post button. And that's it. That's how you can easily create a post in Reddit app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.